Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So we upload a perfectly safe SFW selfie in Gemini flat out refuses to edit it. Okay, I can't make this image like that, or this is against my guidelines whatsoever. This can happen to any image you are working with. The type doesn't really mean anything. So this is a known issue since Gemini has become increasingly strict about editing pre-existing photos, especially those containing recognizable faces or people. Users have reported that Gemini will edit a photo dozens of times, then suddenly start refusing the exact same request, suggesting the image itself might have been flagged. The good news is there is a powerful workaround that bypasses those restrictions. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First thing first, you should understand why Gemini is refusing. Gemini's safety filters are particularly strict with editing existing images of people. The model might flag the images for vague reasons like guidelines or safety policies, especially if the photo has been used in multiple generations. There are also the same image loop issue where the system returns an identical and edited image despite acknowledging the prompt. There is also the canvas mode workaround. When Gemini refuses to edit your photo directly, you can switch to canvas mode and build a small single-purpose app. But how to actually set up the workaround? You can easily open a new chat with Gemini and say something like, switch to canvas mode and build me a small app where I can upload a picture of myself, add up to 5 accessories, and let AI place them on me. Then you can also use Google AI Studio if canvas mode isn't available. So also try less specific prompts and try starting a new chat. So that's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.